Meneer Jasper, Herman, Victor, voor mij. Juffrouw Iris Lemmens, wenst gij tot wettige echtgenote te nemen? Juffrouw Iris Lemmens, meneer Jasper, Herman, Victor, voor mij, hier tegenwoordig.
Ja.
Georgia, wrap me up in all you hurt you. In my arms, oh, let me hold you. I'll never let you go again like I did or used to say. I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall in less it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Georgia pulled me in, I asked to love her. Once again you fell, I caught you. I'll never let you go again like I did.
Hallo. Goedemorgen, Iris en Jasper en beste familieleden en vrienden, welkom. Vanmorgen hier op het gemeentehuis van Bruiloft. Niet te zenuwachtig? Nee. Nee? Nou, dan gaan we er al beginnen.
When your secret heart cannot speak so easily, call me a darling from a whisper star. To have a little faith in me. And when your back's against the wall, just turn around and you'll see. I will catch you fall, baby. Just have a little faith in me. Have a little faith in me. Have a little faith in me. Have a little faith in me.
Oh my, je ziet er mooi op de pak gelopen. Oh my god, we zijn er net
I know a girl, she puts the color inside of my world. But she's just like a maze, where all of the walls are continually changed. And I've done all I can to stand on the steps with my heart in my hand. Now I'm starting to see, maybe it's got nothing to do with me. Fathers, be good to your daughters. Daughters will love like you do. Girls become lovers who turn into mothers. So mothers, be good to your daughters.